drive to rangal. After nung sayang.
Ano lang sa'yo? Burger ka lang?
Tatlong Y1 burger,
Isang chicken fillet,
isang chicken fillet,
pepper cream with jollof spaghetti.
Pepsi,
Ice tea at pineapple lang po yung arrange.
Pineapple.
pineapple.
Pineapple. Sa Y1 nila, ma'am, sir, pineapple din po yung drink.
Opo.
Tatong order ng Y1, isang order ng chicken fillet, pineapple yung drink, any additional, sir?
Yung chicken pepper cream po, yun ha?
Yung chicken pepper ano po?
Cream with
Cream
jollof
with-
spaghetti.
Saan ba?
Yun, hindi yung chicken fillet lang.
Yun, one piece pepper. Saan lang?
Yun o, yung
One
spaghetti.
piece pepper cream po.
With jollof spaghetti.
With drinks, no, sir? Shatter?
Opo.
With jolly spaghetti.
With jolly spaghetti po, ma'am.
Yung may jolly spaghetti, sir.
Apo.
Pineapple po yung drink.
Opo.
Any additional, sir?
Price po, ma'am.
Regular, medium, large?
Medium.
Medium.
Medium. Any additional po?
Wala na po.
Repeat ko lang po yung order nila, sir. Tatlong order po ng Y1 regular price, pineapple yung drinks, isang chicken fillet with spag, pineapple yung drinks, then isang medium price. So, sila po yung payment, sir. Thank you. Y1.
Okay, thank you po. Good morning, ma'am.
I received, sir, but may ito.
Yehey.
Wow, maganda man, oh. At least di kapasuan lang, ha.
Sir, forward na kayo. So, ihatid ko lang.
Sige.